What we have here is an amazing view. It's incredible. This does not look like the way. I'm not going that way. I have to figure out a lot of things. One of them is getting back safe. I like your dress. Yeah. This is the view. It's where I'm going right now. Oh my God, update. They gave me some water. This is the way to get to the train station. Oh, fucking hey. Lovely people. Just gave me this water for free. I don't know. I love going random places. I low-key want to go to that party. But problem is, I'm dressed like a frickin' American. But, oh, wow. Wow. Bro, what? This can't be the way. Pull up. Oh, alright. Let's double check I'm going the right way though. Damn, bro really gave me a nice ass water for the ride. This is a good view. It's amazing. I'm on my way to the train station right now. So I guess they told me the way. This is the way. I fell already once. Reopened my cut. Ah, dude. Whew. Drank all my water. But what we have here is an amazing view. Absolutely stunning. Whew. Wow. Yo, this might be the most incredible view I have ever seen. Holy wow. Spectacular. Got about like 8 minutes. Oh man, is that a Lamborghini? What the hell? I wouldn't doubt it. This is incredible. Let's see if I can get home for €2. Almost at the train station. I don't know how much it costs, but we're about to find out. Wow. I finally made it down to the bottom. Oh my gosh. Unreal. That was an insane hike. I ain't even gonna lie. Oh, this is cool. Look at this. I knew it was a Lambo. Oh, a Lambo from miles away. Yes, I made it to the train. Let's see if I can get on for €2. So, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't make it back. So, I'm gonna go out and party. All right, so I'm about to just walk. I was thinking about it. I have to wait like 7 minutes. And if for some reason they don't let me on, I'm not trying to make any mistakes, which will cost me more time and money. So I'm about to say, forget it. I'm not gonna wait. I'm about to go home. It's like it's a 23-minute walk now. Pretty much the entire time I've been in Nice, I've just been kind of walking. Yeah, I've been riding a little bit of bikes here and there, but for the most part, I've been just walking. Like the other day, I walked from pretty much the airport in Nice to Old Town. And now, if you're watching this and you're from Nice, you know that's probably like a hour and a half or so. I just need it. So to me, this is just the workout. End of this trip, I'm probably gonna need some new shoes. This is kind of what this place looks like at night. And it's pretty nice. I hope you guys enjoyed that hike. It's about 1 mile and 1,100 feet of elevation gain. And the hike is called Chemin de Nietzsche. And the hike starts in the village town of Ez, and you can ask the locals around the area where the trail is. It's kind of hard to find, but it's not that hard, and it's a lovely hike, and I hope you enjoy the views. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hope you guys have a great day.